So we're just about to start to go into the darkroom and actually make our contact sheets. But the first thing you want to do is just a little bit of preparation. Very important item that we're going to need is glass. And you always want to start out with a nice, clean piece of glass. There's nothing worse than printing with a contact printer or a piece of glass that has scratches and dirt all over it. So I like to usually just take a little bit glass cleaner. And again, preparation for this type of stuff goes a long way. There's nothing worse than starting in the darkroom and realizing you don't have what you need to make some work. So I just look, you just want to basically make it nice and clean. No dust on it. Perfect. So these are my negatives that we developed, and now we're going to actually make a print, a contact sheet from them, which is going to look something similar to this. And then we're going to read off the contact sheet and decide what image we're going to make a print from.